Hey everybody, this is Austin and welcome back to my channel. Over the past couple weeks, y'all have blown up that latest video on how to build the perfect headstock transition. I got like 150 new subscribers, which is astronomical for me because I only had like 200 to begin with. So you guys have almost doubled my channel size in just the past week. And first of all, thank you so much to everybody who went and took the time to watch that video, but not only watch it, but subscribe to my channel. I really hope I don't let you down with future content. Speaking of future content, however, in the About section of my channel, I have added a Discord server and also an email link that you guys can use to submit requests for videos on my channel. I only have so much bandwidth to come up with what I think is the next greatest video. And really, like I've said in previous updates, I'd like this channel to be focused on helping you guys achieve what you want to do in Fusion, because that's ultimately what it comes down to. I can keep posting, and I still will keep posting stuff that I think is neat and interesting, but ultimately I want to help you guys do what you want to do in Fusion 360. So go ahead to my About channel, check it out, and submit a request, and you might just get featured on my channel. But until then, I'll see you guys.